In this video, we are going to see how we can lock different apps on iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys, and I will guide you completely how to do that for all the specific applications. So first of all, we are using the latest iOS version, but it will work in the same way for all the other older iOS versions and Apple phones as well. First of all, what we need to do is just search for the app library, and to search for app library, all you have to do is just keep swiping towards right, and once you finished it, you will see the app library right here. From here, we will just write shortcuts. There we have it. Click on it to open. And from here on the top right hand corner, you will see this plus icon. Click on that. And from here in the search actions, you will search for a lock. So there we have the lock screen option appear. You click on it and it will be added right here. You will go back and you will see in the all shortcuts lock screen appears. And now you will see the bottom. You can see three options here: automation, gallery, and library. You will select automation and click on new automation from here. Now from here, we will search for apps. And now when it is added in the shortcuts, we will create an action to trigger an automation. So at the bottom, we have three options. As you can see here, we have automation, gallery, and library. We will select automation here. And we will click on new automation. And here we will see one of the suggestions for app. So here it is. We click on it. And from here, we will choose the application. So from here, we click on choose. So we will search for any specific application. Let's say Spotify. We will choose that. Click on tick sign. And now the Spotify application is selected, and we will select that if it is opened, what we will do, run immediately, or you can click on run after completion. So this means that when Spotify opens the first time, this automation will trigger immediately. Click on next. And then we are going to select our shortcut, that is lock screen. We select that. So this means as soon as the Spotify application is opened, it will run that automation as soon as it is opened, and we can run it multiple times. We can run it in the same way for all the other applications as well. So that is how we lock individual apps. So that is how it is done. And just go ahead and try that. I'm not going to try it because as soon as I open it, it will lock the screen and it will ask you for the password, but it will stop my recording as well. But just go ahead and try this. I've already tried it and it's fully working. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.